Hello, everybody. I'm Dr. Swarnilita, Associate Professor, Department of Food Science and Nutrition, Nehru Arts and Science College, affiliated to Bhadyar University, Coimbatore. I'm aspiring to offer a course on nutrition through life cycle. Our life cycle starts with conception and extends up to old age. At each stage of life, healthy living is everyone's desire. Healthy living is a way of living that helps you enjoy more aspects of your life. It is a way of living that lowers the risk of being seriously ill or dying early. Do you want to know the secret of healthy living? Of course, healthy food choices are the basic human need for healthy living. Have we ever analyzed our current food choices? Nowadays, our food choices are largely influenced by the market forces, which drastically shift our food choices from traditional to modern foods and increase the intake of processed foods. These types of unhealthy diet pattern are known to be the major determinants of various metabolic disorders in all age groups. Dietary intakes lower or higher than the body requirements can lead to undernutrition or overnutrition, respectively. If you want to choose the right foods, you should know our body's nutritional requirements. People's food choices may vary from one region to another, but all need the same basic nutrients: carbohydrates, protein, fat, vitamins, minerals, and water to maintain healthy life. Newborn baby is growing with milk exclusively for 6 months. When the baby grows, it lives on varieties of food. Even though we all need the same basic nutrients, the requirements of essential nutrients vary with age, gender, physiological status, physical activity as we pass from one stage of the human life cycle to the next. The knowledge on nutritional requirements and healthy food choices for different lifespans will sensitize and drive people on a healthy diet pattern. This course helps you to understand the growth and development in each life cycle, its physiological needs, and nutritional requirements. This course is designed with the objectives to make the learners to understand the functions of various nutrients from consumption to old age and to develop the knowledge and skills to make the right food choices based on individual requirement and their nutritional status. After the completion of this course, you will be able to identify functions of essential nutrients in each stage of the life cycle. This is the required fundamental concept to choose the right food. The next course outcome is that you can analyze the growth and development in various age groups. The body's nutritional requirements of an individual vary with their current dietary pattern. Hence, analyzing their nutritional status is an essential component to plan a balanced diet. The learners can do this effectively at the end of this course. And you can develop a balanced diet plan for different phases of lifespan. Balanced diet is the basic need to reach our ultimate goal, healthy living. You can exhibit this skill after the completion of the course very effectively. You will be able to evaluate nutritional problems, interpret its complications, and propose effective strategies to enhance individual health and community health as well. This course is divided into 5 units, which spreads over 15 weeks with 4 credits. The 5 units are then divided into 40 modules. Each module describes the physiological changes, nutritional needs of pregnancy, infancy, childhood, adolescence, adulthood, and old age elaborately. Despite of age and sex, other factors like psychological, emotional, and social issues over the span of human life can also influence diet and nutrition. It also discusses those issues and prepares you to plan strategies to overcome those problems. The activities, assignments, and discussion forum in this course will help you to explore new research areas to overcome the issues with the current dietary habits and hone your skills to devise new dietary interventions. This course will be useful for all the life science and food science students, health professionals, community health workers in government and non government agencies, and all aspiring individuals who want to make healthy food choices for their own well being. Learn the course, tune your nutritional knowledge, turn the living into healthy living. I hope our next meet will be in our course. Thank you.